program. That was the practical. This class actually we are doing it from 6 months. That was a theory class. But today when I came here in Ranchi from Bangalore and attended this class, it's make lot of difference to the practice that we are doing it. How it make the difference is we actually could make it out how the pressure, actually how much pressure we have to make, how we have to tie it. So we could make the difference, like we have to twist like this or this pressure points. These were not clear in the videos, but now when we have attended the class, it's point to point how it has to be done. We have got to know about this in this practical classes. So I consider this practical class to be very useful. Other than this, we have learned other form of acupressure points, that was in the leg, feet, that was in the palm, including the color therapy. So it was a very wonderful class today. Thank you. Namaste.